welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Justice Sudarshan Reddy is the first Lokayukta of Goa, sworn in at Raj Bhavan on Saturday amidst protest. Lokayukta vows weeding out corruption. Truck from Punjab crushes a police sub-inspector to death. PSI Abhishek Gomes at Betauda Bori checkpost chases a truck violating rule. Comes under it. Driver arrested late evening. All the Catholic churches in the state will observe 19th March as day of prayer for the new Pope and his ministry. Archbishop issues circular. Vice Chairman of Madgaon Municipality Pratima Coutinho resigns, says government is biased on allocating funds to Madgaon Municipality. Pratima quits after serving for 11 months. Fomento Resources opens much needed hospital at Aronda in Reddy, Maharashtra. Chairman Avdut Timlo assures development in and around Reddy. And National Football coach Wim Koeman stresses on action, promises to take Indian football forward. Goa International Football table concludes. And now the news in detail. Justice Sudarshan Reddy was sworn in as the first Lokayukta of Goa amidst protests outside Raj Bhavan. A group of protesters protested and showed black flags to him. Justice Reddy said that he will do his best to fight against the menace of corruption.
Justice Sudarshan Reddy was sworn in as the first Lokayukt of Goa by the Governor of Goa, Bharat Virvanchu, on Saturday at Raj Bhavan.
I, Muchaledi Sudarshan Reddy, having been appointed as the Lokayukt under the Goa Lokayukt Act 2011. Having been appointed as the Lokayukta under the Goa Lokayukta Act 2011. Do hereby swear in the name of God. Do hereby swear in the name of God. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established. And that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment. And that I will duly and faithfully to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment. Perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will. Perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
When Justice Reddy was coming to Raj Bhavan to take oath, protesters protesting against his appointment as Lokayukt waved flags to him outside the ceremony venue.
In fact, the government of Goa should have written to the Chief Justice of India and the Chief Justices of other high courts asking them to recommend names. But this, the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, did not do because he was interested in a yes-man Lokayukta.
After taking oath, Justice Reddy said that he will do his best to fight against menace of corruption.
I shall, to the best of my ability, try to serve the people of Goa through the judicial process for which I have spent 42 years of my life. Without any ill will or without any affection, of course without any fear.
With video journalists Sushant Par and Prajot, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Police Sub-Inspector Abhishek Gomes died while chasing a truck on Saturday at Betauda Bori. PSI Abhishek Gomes was 30 years old and was deputed at Betauda Bori checkpost. Gomes waved out to a truck to stop for checking, but the driver overruled the order and raced past the checkpost. Gomes pursued the truck with his bullet. The truck gave him a dash and dragged him for 10 meters. Home Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that murder charges would be snapped on the driver and owner of the truck.
Abhishek Gomes, a PSI in the traffic cell, was deputed near Betoda-Bori highway to control and scan the vehicles. Gomes directed a speeding truck bearing registration number of Punjab to stop for routine check, but the truck paid no heed and raced past the officer on duty. Seeing this, Abhishek Gomes pursued the violating truck with his bullet, but the truck gave him a dash and the PSI came under the heavy vehicle. He was dragged for about 10 meters by the truck. Abhishek Gomes was seriously injured and was immediately moved to Ponda ID Hospital. But looking at his deteriorating condition, he was shifted to GMC. Unfortunately, Abhishek breathed his last in GMC while undergoing treatment. The truck driver Amarjit Singh, who was absconding since morning, has been arrested.
सकाळ फुडें आपल्याला रुटीन ड्युटी गेल्लो पेट्रोलिंगा सो ताणें एक ट्रकाक हात दाखयलो पंजाब रजिस्टर ट्रक हात दाखयलो आनी ते ट्रक ड्रायव्हरान सिग्नल तोडून गेलो म्हणजे ताका कट मारून गेलो आनी मुखार मागीर अभिषेक ताका मुखार हाडयलो परत तरी पण त्या ट्रक ड्रायव्हरान रावलो ना आनी ताका त्या ट्रक ड्रायव्हरान डॅश दिलो तातूंत आमचो PSI अभिषेक सिरियसली इंजर्ड जालो ताची पांयां इंजरी जाली आनी मागीर ताका शिफ्ट केलो आयडींतल्यान GMCन गेलो आनी थंय तो आज ताजी ज्योत मालवली थंय सोंपलो एक्सपायर जाला आज.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar reacted saying that this was a clear-cut case of murder and we will book the driver and the owner of the truck with murder charges.
Abhishek Gomes, right? Now Abhishek Gomes. पूण एक PSI हांगाचो मडगांवचो म्हणून आसता. Yesterday he has been, I will call it murder, by he is in traffic in Fonda, working traffic in Fonda. ताजेर म्हाका दिसता गाडी घालून ताका चिड्डून he expired just now. I don't have details of what happened, but it appears to be a clear case of an offensive murderous attack. So I have told police we will help the family, but we have booked the case against the owner of the.
30 years old Abhishek Gomes had joined the department in 2006 as a PSI. He was transferred to the traffic cell of Ponda just 5 months back. Final rites on Abhishek will be performed on Sunday afternoon at 3:30 at Grace Church at Madgaon. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.